How to change wallpaper on iPhone X, iOS 16. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Next, tap Add New Wallpaper. Here, you can choose from Apple's wallpaper collections, such as Photos, People, Photo Shuffle, Emoji, Weather, Astronomy, Color, or browse other available wallpaper options. You can also tap Photos to choose a picture from your photo library. Once you've selected a wallpaper, you can customize it by adjusting the position, zoom level, or available effects, depending on the wallpaper type. When you're happy with the result, tap Add in the top right corner. Now, choose Set as Wallpaper Pair to use the same wallpaper for both the lock screen and home screen, or tap Customize Home Screen if you'd like to use a different wallpaper or customize the home screen appearance separately. Your new wallpaper will be applied immediately. You can also change your wallpaper directly from the lock screen by touching and holding the lock screen, then tapping the plus button to create a new wallpaper, or swiping to an existing wallpaper and customizing it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the wallpaper on your iPhone X running iOS 16. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.